Art Friends, today we are going to draw a cool crayon.
Yeah, one with sunglasses. We hope you're going to follow along. You need your drawing supplies. To draw our crayon, we're going to use markers. You ready to start?
Yes.
But you could use whatever you have, like a pencil or even a crayon to draw a crayon. We're going to start by drawing our crayon sunglasses to make him cool. I'm going to draw a letter U right here, and then leave a little space and draw another letter U. This is for the lenses in our cool sunglasses. Yes, and then we're going to draw the top of our lens on both sides. And then let's draw another letter U that's right next to the first one that we drew. But when we get to the middle, we're going to draw an upside down letter U and continue over and around the right side. Then we could draw a little line that comes out on both sides, and then a little line up on both sides. And then we're going to draw the top of our sunglasses coming across, then down in the middle over the nose, and then back over for the other side. Yeah, those are some cool sunglasses. Okay, now we need to draw our crayon. Let's start by drawing the outside first. So I'm going to draw a straight line up on both sides, right in line with the edge of the sunglasses. Then I'm gonna turn my paper a little diagonal so I can pull it towards me, but we're gonna imagine that line going behind the sunglasses, coming out the bottom and coming straight down, maybe that far. And then we could do the same thing on this side to match. There you go. You did it. Those are really straight lines. Good job.
Thanks.
Okay, now let's draw the top and we'll connect those together. And also the bottom. I'm going to curve this just a little in the corners and then straight across. Yeah. Okay, now let's draw the top of our crayon. And we're going to draw two more short lines coming out, but see how I stepped them in? Yeah. And then let's connect those together. And then we're going to draw the top drawing part of our crayon, the tip. We're going to draw a diagonal line coming up, and then we're going to curve it around and then back diagonal down to the other side. It's kind of tricky, but you did it. That's awesome. Oh, let's add another line down here for the wrapper or the paper that's around our crayon. And then let's give our crayons a mouth. I'm going to draw a really big mouth. Well, I'm going to go past and into the sunglasses. And then I'm going to draw it coming really far down and then back up. And then I'm going to draw teeth like this. So little letter U's connected together. And upside down letter U's connected together for the bottom. It's kind of scary. And then let's draw a tongue. I'm going to draw it curving like this, and then another curve inside, and then over. What is? I don't know why that is a little scary. But okay, let's draw. He's happy. Okay, let's draw the arms next. We're going to draw the inside of our arm coming out, and then bending for the elbow and connecting back to the crown. Let's repeat the same thing on the other side so we can try to match. Okay, then we're going to draw the outside of the arm, but instead of connecting down here at the bottom, we're going to leave a little space. And then we can do the same thing on this side. Then we're going to draw a curve right here for the hand. And then we're going to draw the fingers coming out of the crayon around and then connecting into the hand. And same thing over here. That's a fun and simple way to draw the hands on our crayon's hips. Okay, now let's draw the feet. Let's draw two short lines for the left side and two short lines for the right arm. Let's draw some cool shoes on our crayon. I'm going to draw a curve for the bottom or the top of the shoe. And then we'll draw the heel inside. So we'll draw a curve coming down to match on both sides. And then we're going to draw the toes coming out and then curving down on both sides. Then let's connect the front to the back on both shoes. Then we can draw the sole. I'm going to draw another line that matches that one we just drew. And then let's draw a curve right here for the front of the shoe on both sides. And then we can also draw shoelaces. I'm going to draw little long U's or skinny U's. It looks like a W actually, sideways W right here on the top for the shoelaces. We did it! We finished drawing our crayons, except we still need to
Color it.
Yes, this part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video to match your coloring, or you could color it differently. You could color your crayons your favorite color. All right, you ready to speed things up?
Yes.
Teryn, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our crayons, our cool crayons, and they turned out awesome. I especially love yours. You colored yours pink.
Yep, and I like how you colored yours blue.
Oh, thanks. And our friends could change the colors to anything they want. And we used our white colored pencil on top of the marker to make it look shiny. Also on the sunglasses.
I like the little design we added to the wrapper too.
Yeah, that completes our crayon. Except I think we could do more things to our drawing. What else could we add?
More crayons.
Yeah, this one needs a buddy.
We hope you had fun drawing a cool crayon.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.
Bye.